Did you know that your public police department can watch you in your backyard, behind your fence, through your windows, all from the air? I'm not trying to say that this Mavic here is the cutting edge of technology, but it will be used to spy on you on your property likely. In places where the statistics are public on the drone usage by police and the arrests, they make about the same amount of arrests, just less serious arrests. If anybody can identify this thing, it's some type of Mavic. I doubt you're gonna be able to from that picture, but if you are, post in the comments, please. I'm sure everyone would love you. They're starting to get pretty aggravated at me recording, I think. They're not, didn't think I was gonna sit here this long, probably, and they're all gonna huddle up. And I'm pretty sure this guy behind the car is calling in the unis to come and get me. We're in Burnsville, Minnesota today. Probably one of the worst departments in the county. They're known for arresting shooting victims, arresting people for recording, etc. And these people will be monitoring you with the drone that a 5-year-old could hide from if he really wanted to. If you like our content, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. It really helps the reach of the channel. What does this mean for the hardened criminal that knows what he's doing? Nothing really. They're gonna be able to hide from this thing like it's nothing. Even with the IR capabilities that I'm assuming this thing has, I mean, your little kindergartner is gonna be able to hide from this thing if they got a few acres of forest around them. So these definitely aren't gonna make a dent in major crime, but you're gonna be able to see a lot more jaywalking arrests. They'll probably be able to like cite people for having fires without a fire ring or something. Probably a lot more people with like fireworks and bottle rockets and stuff are going to be getting tickets. Garand did a really great video on thermal evasion that everyone should watch, and I'm not condoning any illegal activities or evading the police at all, but with technology like this that they can use in our backyards to spy on us on a private property, you know, in private areas, it's probably best to know stuff like that. So I'm going to link that video down in the description here, along with some others. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'm about to make a Twitter as well. I'll try to link them in the description. And feel free to send in any videos. We'll give you credit, of course. Thanks for watching. There's another about 45 seconds of this stuff. They're just huddled up here. I think they're about to call the cops on me, the real cops. The ones that are actually in uniforms right now, and so I'm about to leave. Yeah, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it really helps the reach of the channel. I appreciate you, all you guys, and most of my viewers aren't subscribed, so you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That'd be great. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.